Oh, un momentito. Okay.
Otto.
Say your name. What's your name?
Madeline, you got
This is
it.
Madeline, and she's gonna read the book. What is this? Acá. This one. What number is that? What number is that? What number is it? What's this?
2.
No, this. What number is it? Read it. Look. What is it?
1.
Yeah,
1.
1. What's next? Next. What is this?
2.
Yay, 2. Now what is the next one? Look, acá. Here. What is this? What number is that?
3.
You got it.
Yay, 3. Okay. What is the next one? What number is that?
4.
4. You
Yay,
got it.
4. Now this one, the next one. What number is this? What number is that? What number is that? Okay, what number is that?
1.
What number is this?
1.
No, what number is it? Read it.
1.
What number is it, baby?
5. You
Yeah,
got it.
5. Go to the next one. What number is that?
6. You got it.
No, the next one. Go to the next one. Right here. What number is that?
6,
Yeah,
7.
7. Okay, now the next one.
8.
8. Now the next one. What number is that? What number is that?
9.
9.
Yeah, 9. What's the next number? What is that number? What number is that? No, no, no. What is that number? What's the next one? What number is that?
11.
What's before 11?
Before 11. What is before 11?
Hi, I'm Jennifer Love Hewitt. Are you ever self-conscious on a
10. Yeah, 10.
Nothing makes the first date jitters worse.
11.
A giant six.
10, then 11.
It's frustrating, isn't it?
1.
How you can make the first date less
What's after 1?
1.
1.
Ush. Ush. Ush.
2, yeah.
¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name?
Madeline.
Madeline. ¿Y cuántos años tienes? How old are you?
1.
1. Yay, Madeline.